In this lesson, we're going to learn how to utilize basic math and coding within Roblox. Using arithmetic operators, you can perform basic math on the numerical values in your program. We can use these operators to solve math equations and build functions to perform common calculations. Let's go over the basic math operators in Lua. To add, we use the plus sign. To subtract, we use the minus sign. To multiply, we use an asterisk. This symbol can be found above the number 8 key on your keyboard. To divide, we use a slash. For exponents, we use a caret. This symbol can be found above the number 6 key on your keyboard. And for modulus, we use a percent sign. So what's modulus? You might be wondering. Modulus returns the remainder of dividing two numbers. Let's do an example. 17 modulus 5, or 17 mod 5, is 2. Well, why? Well, 5 fits into 17 3 times. That would be 15, right? But there's 2 left over. So modulus returns the remainder, so that gives the answer of 2. It's very common in programming to want to add, subtract, or multiply a value that's stored in a variable. For example, you may want to create a scoreboard that increases by a certain amount, or possibly a counter that counts up or down in seconds. To increment means to increase the value of a variable. To increment a variable by 1, we reassign the variable to itself and add 1. To decrement means to decrease the value of a variable. To decrement a variable by 5, we can reassign the variable to itself minus 5. So when might we want to use these arithmetic operators in a program? Well, for addition, you could be collecting coins. Each time you pick up a coin, you would add 1 to the amount of coins you have. For subtraction, you may have a health score. Every time you are attacked by another player, you could lose some of your health. You may use multiplication to calculate how much money you have. And division could be used to split up the total money between a group of players. Exponentiation could be used if the population is doubling in a program. And then the modulus could be used if you're trying to determine a specific day of the week from a number of days. All right, well, let's take this new information and put it into practice.